Whether you're an at-home chef or running a restaurant or catering business, having a salad spinner at your disposal can make a world of difference in the quality of the salad you make. Salad spinners are designed with a colander inside of a large bowl with a spinning mechanism that allows the washed lettuce to spin quickly. The spinning causes the excess moisture to be thrown off the lettuce making. In this video, we will discuss the top 5 best beach towels on the market. We have made our research and this list reflects our opinion. We have listed products based on quality, durability, price, features, consumer feedback, and more. Our goal is to create a proper shopping guide so that our viewers can make the best choice. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So without further ado, let's dive into the video. Number 1. OXO Good Grips Large Salad Spinner. Over the years, OXO has made a name for itself in producing top quality salad spinners that don't break the bank, and the OXO Good Grips Salad Spinner is no exception. The 6.22 quart bowl holds a 4.95 quart basket, and both are made of BPA-free plastic. We rank this the best overall salad spinner due to its larger size, convenience, and its non-slip base. This spinner's spinning method consists of a one-handed pump that spins lettuce quickly and efficiently while the non-slip base keeps it steady on your counter. This salad spinner is the best salad spinner for effortless preparation, and the convenient brake button allows you to stop the spinning instantly. The bottom bowl can even be used as a serving bowl once the spinning is complete. We also love that it's easy to clean since it's dishwasher safe. Capacity, 6.22 quarts, spinning method, one-handed pump. Number 2. Muller Large 5-liter Salad Spinner. Durability is an important factor in any purchase, and a salad spinner is no different. The Muller Large 5-liter Salad Spinner is the best salad spinner option for those who are looking for a lifetime product. This durable salad spinner is made from heavy-duty ABS plastic to ensure the spinner will last through dishwasher cleaning, falls from the countertop, and more. The non-slip base allows the spinner to stand strong on the countertop without scratching any surfaces or any chance of spills. It can be conveniently stopped by pushing the brake button. This is the only salad spinner on our list that has a spout, which makes it easy to pour excess water from the bowl. Keep in mind that this bowl has more of a square shape while other bowls on our list are round. It may take up slightly more space in your refrigerator. Capacity, 5 quarts. Number 3. Commercial Chef Salad Spinner. For those looking for an affordable option, the Commercial Chef Salad Spinner with salad serving bowl is the best salad spinner for you. This spinner has a lockable lid that keeps everything in place. Just add cold water through the holes on the lid and begin spinning. Lettuce, cherry tomatoes, and more can be washed together at the same time, saving time in prep work and adding more time to enjoy a delicious lunch. Both the bowl and the basket are made of plastic, and the large bowl can double as a serving bowl when you're done with your salad preparation. This salad spinner operates with a spinning handle as opposed to a pump-style method, so it does require a more hands-on approach. The spinner is also hand wash only, so avoid the dishwasher. Overall, this is the best salad spinner for those who want a quality product while sticking to their budget. Number 4. Berthen Salad Spinner. For those who prefer a stainless steel design, the Berthen Salad Spinner is the best salad spinner for you. Stainless steel adds more insurance as far as durability, ensuring that with proper care your salad spinner will last for years, making it worth the investment. There is no worry about dropping the bowl or breaking the bowl since the steel can last through most accidents. This stainless steel bowl features a non-slip base and provides 5.3 quarts of space for lettuce. The lid and basket are both made of durable plastic, and the clear material allows you to watch the lettuce being cleaned. This spinner uses a pull-type handle to enact spinning, so it requires more attention during use to make sure the spinning is at the optimum level. The spinner is dishwasher safe, making cleaning a breeze. Material, stainless steel, capacity, 5.3 quarts, spinning method, pull-type handle, care, dishwasher safe. Number 5. Norpro Deluxe Salad Spinner. When preparing salads for a larger crowd, like if you are hosting a summer garden party, having a larger salad spinner is ideal. The Norpro Deluxe Salad Spinner gives chefs plenty of room to prep larger salads and vegetables. The stylish green and white design adds a bit of flair to the mix, and the classic pushdown handle spin method completes the vintage look. The base of the bowl has a non-slip design that allows the user to operate the spinner with one hand. This plastic salad spinner features a locked-down lid to prevent spills and maintain freshness. The lid also has a convenient brake button to stop spinning quickly. If leftovers are a concern, the lid and bowl double as an airtight storage container, so salads, pasta, and vegetables can be kept for several days in the fridge without spoiling. Material, Plastic, capacity, 6.8 quarts, spinning method, push-down handle, care, dishwasher safe. Please like, comment, share and subscribe and hit the bell notification. That brings us to the end of our review and buyer's guide. Hope to see you in the next video. Let us know in the comments what is your favorite one, and we hope you like this video. If you want to know the product price, do check out the description box. Thanks for watching.